Cabinet Vision version 11, some new features have been added to the assembly wizard. Under Exterior Case, we'll see a new part called Sink Skirt has been added. When selecting this component, we'll see that we get a series of questions asking about how this component interacts with the rest of the assembly, just like we see with all of our other components. Now moving on to the Operations tab, when we look at our assembly boring, if we're using boring operations and not using a fixed head drilling machine, we now have the option to set a spacing that is not based on a 32 mil increment. As you can see here, we have the option to Other, and we can enter in whatever value we would like. This option is also available for our rear operations. And you'll see when we go to our next option here, when we're selecting to add additional operations, in the past we set a maximum spacing and it would apply additional operations based on a 32 mil increment. However, now we have the option to set a specific number of operations. The spacing will be determined by the space between our front and rear operation.